back to my channel. You guys, I just got through watching Black Panther. Yes, very powerful movie, a lot of messages in there, so I suggest everyone, not just black people, everyone go out and support this movie. So anyways, I'm coming to you guys with another video. Yeah. Okay, this video is going to be about the straightening brush iron. This is what the box looks like. I picked this up the other day. I wanted to try it because I seen, oh, who's that young girl? It's a young girl on YouTube was using this. I can't think of the girl's name, but a young girl on here was using this when she was doing, straightening her natural hair. So I said, I need to try this because if you guys don't know, I did a review on the blow dryer brush, and I will link that up above and down below for you guys on my honest opinion about that brush. But this looks like this will be something that would be really good in regards to taken away from blow drying. Now I'm not doing a flat ironing video. I'm not even going to flat iron my hair or my daughter's hair. What I'm going to use this for is to see if I can just use this to straighten out her hair some or blow it out some, being that I'm going to be putting braids in her hair. This is how it looks. So yeah, it almost looks like the brush blow dryer, but the inside of this feels like it's silicone to me, and it just has an on switch. It says it gets up to 350 degrees. That's it. Also, it states that it enhances smoothness and shine, and it's a lightweight and compact. I'm gonna give it a try on my daughter's hair. Again, being that I've been wearing my hair straight every month, I will talk about that later, but yeah, it's my hair. What I've been doing is just pretty much every month I will blow dry, flat iron, and then I'll wear it straight for the whole month. And if I don't get through the whole month, maybe like the third week or almost to the fourth week, I will do a co-wash and then just wear it in its curly state. But this has been working tremendously for me. Me and the curly hair deal every day ain't gonna work. And then again, this is how I wear my hair. I always wear my hair pulled back into a ponytail. So yeah, let's just jump right into this video on me using this straightening brush on my daughter's hair and see how it works. So I have to say I really enjoyed using this straightening brush iron. Now again, it's not to straighten your hair, it is just to help with the process of straightening your hair. I think it's better than the blow dryer brush, honestly, in my opinion. I like the fact that I can put my hand on the silicone brushes and my hand doesn't burn. Now it does get hot here, but it doesn't get hot here, so I really like that. So yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about this little bitty item that they created. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to press the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.